So Shopé, on a whim, I think I understand more about like what the intent is, and the texture of the music needs to feel like the texture of the clothes, like woven into. Like, can you say a little bit more to that before we kind of start digging to it?
When I designed the cardigan from Jump, or rather when our creative director designed the cardigan, I immediately got this feeling, and then I saw that all the way through. I wanted to feel like something that you could wear under a three-piece, and it would sit very comfortably in that kind of setting. But also the kind of thing that you could wear with, I don't know, maybe dinner, but it would kind of like almost dress up anything that you wore. You know what I'm saying? And so it was important for the music to kind of give me that same feeling of sophistication.
We'll get Cardigan one right on, my brother. This is listen for a few. Pass feel good. Let's go to the one right here.
It feels like it's going there, but then immediately leaving. And I can't exactly explain.
Okay.
I can't articulate why.
Okay, that's good. Check out this one.
Sounds like Friday or Gideon.
It just kind of have, it has like that. I like that vocal sample, man. That's the one I was thinking.
Yeah.
Like
it definitely, like, put it this way, it definitely is closest to that nighttime feeling that I was communicating of the three we've played so far.
Right.
That one's definitely the closest.
I'm definitely about to. Y'all know me. I'm pitching that joint up. Let's pitch up a little bit. I'm gonna tweak the vocal sample a little. Like subtle. I gotta add some strings right here. Hold on. Check out this section right here.
Now it's altered.
Yeah, it feels like it.